First thing we're gonna do is take it out of the package and wash it. I washed it a total of 4 times until the water got pretty clear.
Second wash. Third wash. Alright, so this is my 4th time washing it. And you can see by now that they starting to get pretty thicker. Now, soap. Spraying water. Key limes. Let it sit for 4 to 24 hours. I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours. All right, read back. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. I'll take out all these. 24 hours, I think we took another like pour some water. That ain't it. I'll look better. All right, so now we take our mix. Got me a glass jar. And there you have it, a nice jar full of sea moss.